Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is to analyze the function. Here is about one example. 3 of x equals to 4 minus 2 over x plus 3 over x to the power of 2. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to find first the derivative of the function, and that should be about negative, because we have the negative in here, so you got about positive. The next one, x to the power of 2, it will change to x to the power of 4, and we do first the derivative of x to the power of 2, you got about negative 6x. Next, we need to know that domain in here is about x cannot be equal to number 0. Next, we need to simplify this one, and you got about negative 6 over x to the power of 3. On the left, we multiply both sides with x to the power of 3. Next, we can do factorization here. That should be about 2x minus 3 over x to the power of 3. So, if we want to find critical points, we need to put about first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. So in here we have only x minus 3 equals to number 0, and we got about x equal to number 3. After we calculate everything, now we draw the table of variation. We have negative infinity, we have number 0 in here, we have number 3, and later that we have positive infinity. So we know that domain is x cannot become the number 0, so we put about 2 lines in here. Next, if we put about the negative below the number 3, so in this point from 0 to below the number 3, for example, we put about negative number 1, x to the power of 3, they keep about negative number 1. We have negative number 1, negative number 3, you got about negative number 4. Negative number 4 divide negative number 1. So this point in here, so you got about the positive. Next, from 0 to 3, we choose about number 1. 1 minus 3, you got about negative number 2. Negative number 2 divide to number 1, so you got about negative. So from 0 to 3, first the derivative is about negative. This is about critical point because x equal to number 3. The last one, if we put about number 4, 4 minus 3 is about 1. 4 to the power of 3, you got about the positive number. So first the derivative, you got about the positive in here. And now we just draw if we put about negative infinity, you can see that 2 divide negative infinity, 3 divided to positive infinity, this number you will go to the 0 in here. So you got about number 4, and the location in here you got about 4. Next, if we divide the number near to 0 in here, and you have about number 3 is higher than number 2, so this means you got about the positive infinity. Similar in here, this is about positive infinity. We put number 3 in 3 of S, and you got about 11 over 3. Next, if we go to the positive infinity in here, then we go to the 0 in here, so we got about number 4. So after we analyze, we can arrange this one. In here. Why? Because number 4 and number 4 in here is about the asymptote of the function. That's why we need to move this one go down. And now we can analyze that. In here they increase from negative to 0. From here, from 3 to the positive infinity, the function can be increased when first the derivative of the function should be positive, and the next one decreasing. They just decreasing only one location, that's it, from 0 to 3. And critical point, we have only one location, that's about number 3, and y is about 11 over 3. And this is the answer on the question. That's the end. Thank you for watching.